What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if Bluetooth is actually running on your PC in the background. So what you want to do is just simply click the arrow on the lower right hand side of your computer. It will say show hidden icons. Once you click on that, it's going to open up a bunch of apps right here. You can go ahead and click on it if you want to open it. As you can see right here, you can click on it and it's going to say open settings, and you'll be able to click right into it and open up the settings. And so this is how you can easily check if Bluetooth is running in the background, and you can go ahead and you can easily turn it off if you don't want to run this right away. I want to show you one more thing. If you right click on your taskbar and go to task manager as well. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily go ahead and check if Bluetooth is running in the background on your PC. One, you will see that it's is down at the lower right hand side of your screen. And two, once you open up the processes and if you search for Bluetooth, you will see that it start to show services right here. And you can see right here it says Windows processes, service host. You can see right here that these service hosts is actually running on your PC. And so you know that Bluetooth is running in the background. And that's it.